Hello everyone, in this video I am telling about the Apple upcoming product of the March 2024. Apple will likely launch a new iPad Air and iPad Pro and MacBook Air model around the end of March 2024. According to the Bloomberg Mark Gurman, iPad Air. The iPad Air lineup is expected to gain a new 12.9-inch display size alongside an updated 10.9-inch model. Rumor and are likely feature for the next iPad Air model include Apple M2 chip for faster performance, a redesigned rear camera bump, Wi-Fi 6E support and Bluetooth 5.3. No major external design change are expected. The current 5th generation iPad Air with the M1 chip was released in March 2022. iPad Pro. The next 11-inch and 13-inch iPad Pro model are widely expected to the first iPad equipped with the OLED display. OLED technology would enable the next iPad Pro display to offer increased brightness, more vivid color, higher contrast ratio, lower power consumption, and other benefits compared to exciting model with the LCD panel. Apple already uses OLED display for the latest iPhone and Apple Watch model, excluding the lower-end iPhone SE. Due to the switch of OLED, the next iPad Pro model are expected to be more expensive. iPad Pro model released in 2017 and later support to Pro Motion allow for the variable refresh rate between 24 Hz and 120 Hz. OLED and LTP display technology would likely allow for the refresh rate to drop down further to 10 Hz or lower to save battery life. iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro model can reach as low as 1 Hz while in always-on display mode. MacBook Air. While the current 13-inch and 15-inch MacBook Air launch a year apart due to production delay, the models should be updated simultaneously this March. The key new feature for the laptop will be Apple's latest M3 chip. With the M3 chip, the next Book Air model will gain hardware accelerated ray tracing and mesh shading for improved graphics, render, and games, including more accurate lighting, reflection, and shadow. Apple already updated the 14-inch MacBook Pro and 16-inch MacBook Pro and 24-inch iMac and with the M3 chip last year. No major design change are expected for the MacBook Air this year, but the laptop will likely gain support for Wi-Fi 6E like other Mac. Apple last updated the 13-inch MacBook Air in July 2022, while the first ever 15-inch MacBook Air was released in June 2023. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.